Good morning. So we are at Skyline Drive at mile, I think it's 88.9, where the AT crosses right here. You can see the blaze just beyond Yaya over there. Blair dropped us off this morning and we are going to head southbound today to get back to Sawmill Run. I think it's just under 8 today. And we are the only three hiking. Kimmie, our Montana, Yaya and I are the only ones on the trail. Everyone else has taken a recovery day. Yesterday's heat kind of messed everybody up. These two were already dancing and singing this morning, so. That doesn't look good, does it?
No. Nobody knock it down.
Somebody poke the bear. Well, the problem is it's on that tiny little branch. Like any little bit of wind's gonna knock that over.
Look at the back side of it. It's like a honeycomb in there.
Wow.
I think it's an old one.
Yeah, it does look.
It's inactive.
Hopefully not.
Hey bear, where are you?
It's a cute little flat campsite. So about 0.6 miles uphill to from Skyline Drive. What was it? 88.9, something like that. So half a mile in, there's a great campsite. Anybody?
0.7 in.
Oh, 0.7. Here's our blaze of the day. It is mushroom infested. Look at all that.
It's alive.
It's alive! How's those calves, Kimmie?
They're doing better than they were yesterday. Ooh, just lost my balance.
They're hard as a rock. Instead of buns of steel, I got calves of steel.
That's right.
Walking on sunshine, yeah. A walking on pine needle straw.
Yeah.
And don't it feel good? Woo! Woo! Definitely on my shins, feels good.
Yep. A shaded section with pine straw, soft pine.
Light breeze.
Light breeze. This is
Light breeze
the
from the east.
this is the life. Much further do we have, Ember? 4.3 to the car.
Something like that.
Something like that. We're not gonna look. I just wanted to show I freeze this solid in the morning, so then it's like a chocolate milkshake as it starts to thaw out. It's amazing on a hot day. We're getting a little bit of views off to the side of the trail, but it hasn't been too terrible. Thank you for the breezes.
It's like air conditioning.
So grateful for the breezes.
Rip Rock Trail 2.4.
We just passed the Skyline again.
Black Rock Drop 5.8.
I think we're like 4 to the, we're about 4.
Over or under?
Or through.
Yeah, or through.
Could be a total jungle
Or
gym.
around. There is no wrong way. I'm going under. Ow!
Woohoo! Let's go find some shady spot to eat.
Yes.
Stopping for
Oh.
lunch.
My newest combination is peanut butter and honey with blueberries.
Wow.
It's really good.
That does sound yummy. I got my normal fruit and pickles. What you got, Amber?
Apple and peanut butter crackers and nuts.
Nice.
I didn't like a sandwich.
We were looking at this tree that has these pom-poms. We don't know what that is. That's really kind of cool. And unfortunately, we walked and walked to try to find shade, but
I wondered, that mile seemed awfully long.
no such luck.
Lunch in 1 mile, like, been longer than a mile.
We kept walking in hopes to find shade, but we didn't find shade. But we do have a.
But I can't eat my lunch in the sun. I'm like, I may have to. I have to today.
The what?
Yeah, so this is Turk's Gap.
It's an Airstream.
Turk's Gap parking area. The trail just crosses right here and goes right over. Beautiful dogwood. Tons of blooming wild azaleas.
1.6.
All right, 1.6 to Sawmill.
Yep.
All right, let's go. the sawmill. You coming, Yaya?
Yay!
I think we beat him to the parking lot.
I know, wow.
That's shocking. Woo! Those were some good fast last miles.
Yeah. Good times.
Good times.
Good times.
Whew, nice shade at least.
Look at my head.
Yeah.
Straight back. Ready?
Yeah.
Yo,
Your turn. Oh. Okay. Oh, look at the hawk.
I got salt running in my eyeballs.
Oh, pretty. Oh.
oh, he's beautiful.
Oh.
Look at this cool pine tree. The little baby pines growing out of it.
Down my nose. Okay, now yep.
Isn't that
Oh,
cool?
now this one, butterfly. Oh, snap. That feels good. Yep.
This is what you do when you wait for your shuttle.
We're being productively stretching.